Tessa, is the chicken ready to go? Ready to go?
Oh,
You say it.
My mom was a chicken.
Can you say ready to go?
Ready to go.
Good job.
My mom was a chicken.
Say it again.
Ready to go. Ready.
Tessa, you're so cute.
Uh-oh, watch it.
Tessa, you're pretty good.
Hey, Brett Davis. What do you have, Brett?
What?
If Andy orders the dinners, will you go get them at the Viking?
Guess we know. Aaron said, or Debbie did say it.
I'm paying for it, so there. Do I
Okay,
have to
did
go
that.
get it?
Perfect. Talk to me.
Ready to go. Ready to go. Tessa, what are you playing with?
I don't know.
No, I'm not going to do Norman right now. What car is that? What's the name of that car?
Red.
That's the color. But it's the one like your movie.
What is a queen?
Lightning McQueen.
Yeah.
Do they have a lightning king too?
Ready to go.
McQueen.
McQueen. Lightning McQueen. Oh,
Tessa, you're so cute. You're mama's girl. Tessa Gray. Tessa. Are you mama's girl?
Mama, come.
Whoa, you're getting too close. Too close. Okay.
Mama's dog.
A little shaky.
Are you